Now the question says, if the ratio of the roots of the equation is equal to the ratio of the roots of the other equation. So we have been given two equations, and the relation is that the ratio of the roots of the first equation is equal to the ratio of the roots of the second equation. Now let us first of all solve the first equation. The first equation is x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. Now let us consider alpha and beta be the roots of the first equation. So from here we can get sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So that will give us minus p by 1, that is minus p. So from the first equation, roots are alpha and beta, and we have got the sum of the roots as minus p. Now we will get the product of the roots alpha into beta, c by a. So here c is q and a is 1. So we are getting it as equal to q. We have got alpha plus beta from the first equation. We have got alpha into beta from the first equation. Now we will try to get alpha minus beta from the first equation. Now you all must be knowing this relation. Alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha minus beta whole square plus 4 alpha beta. Now let's substitute the values in this relation. Alpha plus beta will be replaced by minus p is equal to, we need to find alpha minus beta, plus 4 times alpha beta, that is q. So we are getting p square minus 4q is equal to alpha minus beta whole square. So I'm taking the under root of it. We are getting p square minus 4q is equal to alpha minus beta. So see, from the first equation we considered the root as alpha and beta. We got the sum of the roots, we got the product of the roots, and we also got the difference of roots. Now same thing we will do in the second equation. Second equation is x square plus lx plus m is equal to 0. Now in the second equation, what we will do, we will consider roots as alpha dash beta dash. Now for the second equation, let us get first of all the sum of the roots alpha dash plus beta dash. It's minus b by a. So on substituting the values, we will be getting minus l upon 1, that is minus l. So we have got sum of the roots. Now the product of the roots, relation is c by a. So we will be getting m by 1, that is equal to m. Now we will try to get difference of roots. So let's use this formula. Now in this formula we will substitute the values alpha dash plus beta dash, that is minus L. We need to get alpha dash minus beta dash. 4 times alpha dash beta dash is m. So you will be getting L square minus 4m is equal to alpha dash minus beta dash whole square. So taking the root of it, you are getting L square minus 4m is equal to alpha dash minus beta dash. So here you can see in the question two equations were given to us. So first equation, roots are considered alpha beta. We got sum, product and the difference. The second equation, we considered the roots as alpha dash beta dash. We got sum, product and the difference. Now let's see what was the relation given to here. Relation given here was ratio of the roots of the first equation. So in the first equation, roots are alpha beta. So we will take the ratio of their roots, that is alpha by beta, is equal to ratio of the roots of the second equation. So we will take the ratio of the roots of the second one. See, it was said that ratio of the roots of the first equation is equal to ratio of the roots of the second equation. So here, now what we will do over here, now here we will apply componendo and dividendo. Let's apply componendo and dividendo. Now when we apply componendo and dividendo on this relation given to us, we will be getting alpha plus beta upon alpha minus beta is equal to alpha dash minus plus beta dash upon alpha dash minus beta dash. Now as you can see in the question, these values are known to us. So let us substitute these values here. See, we need alpha plus beta, which is known to us as minus p, upon alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta is also known to us. It's root p square minus 4q is equal to alpha dash plus beta dash. You can see alpha dash plus beta dash is minus L upon alpha dash minus beta dash. So that is root L square minus 4m. Now what we will be doing the next, we will be squaring both the sides. So let's square both the sides. So squaring. So when we square, so we will be getting on the left side, this will become p square, under root will cancel out, so p square minus 4q. On the right side you will get L square upon L square minus 4m. So we have squared both the sides. Now you can do cross multiplication. So p square into L square minus 4m. Here L square into p square minus 4q. Let's open the bracket. So it's p square L square minus 4m p square is equal to L square p square minus 4q L square. Now you can see L square p square, this will cancel out both the sides. So we are left with minus 4m p square is equal to minus 4ql square. Minus 4m will cancel out, so you are left with mp square is equal to ql square. So this was required. Hence proved. Hope this is clear to you now.